to have great empathy for other stutters. About 50 years ago, I worked with a guy named David. David had a profound stutter. I mean, compared to him, I'm a Shakespearean actor. David didn't date very much. You can understand my surprise when he showed up one Friday at work and said, Ronnie, tomorrow, I'm going to marry, and we're going to Hawaii for a honeymoon. 10 days later, he came back. David, how was the Hawaiian honeymoon? Ron, it was great. David, you're not stuttering. I know, Ron, isn't it great? I was cured on my honeymoon. What did you do, marry a speech therapist? No, Ron, you don't understand. I was cured on my wedding night. Say what? The mortician. Did a wedding there in Mudflap, sat down, struck up a conversation with a lady next to me. Her name was, and I just asked, are you married to Ron? I'm his fourth wife. We were lying in bed one Saturday morning, watching the news, reading the paper. Our kids were grown and gone, and I heard the door downstairs open. And I know the mortician heard it. He didn't say a word. Then I heard somebody rattling around in my kitchen down there. I smelled coffee. And then the door opened, and in walked Teresa, our 30-year-old, half our age, beautiful next-door neighbor. She went around to the mortician's side of the bed. He scooted over. She got in under the covers, put her hand on his chest, looked at me and said, I've always admired your kitchen. He makes hospital visits. Let's just get the picture here, okay? Ron Green is in the hospital. The preacher has just left. The doctor has just left. Kay and the kids are around there. Tap, tap, tap on the door. The mortician walks in. The guy is smooth. He could sell ice to the Eskimos. I'm serious. Greets everyone. Pulls up a chair and starts popping beds softly. Shall I close in prayer? Let's just think about that for a second. If he prays for your health and you get better, he loses money. He prays. I will say this, he is optimistic. He leaves a live potted plant. Tucked away inside that potted plant is his business card, which is his picture. And on the back of that is a handwritten poem. I'm praying for your health. With your family soon you'll be. But if that's not his will, have your body sent to me. Attending to it with my own hand. Just tell your folks I'm not a magician, I'm only a man. Fell down and busted my lip. Banana peel, it made me slip. I got a big bump on my head. Just put me back to bed. Rub me down with Bengay, Bengay, Bengay. I got a wife, she gives me a thrill, but she keeps asking me about my will. My kids never come to see me. I'm in a bad shape, don't you agree? You rub me down with Bengay, Bengay, Bengay. I used to be oh so. The other morning, Kay was asleep. I woke up and I just scooted my hand over and just touched her, and the train went. Kay turned over and said, Ron, what are you doing? I said, Kay, every time I touch you, somewhere a train blows its whistle. A while back, after church, she got in the car, slammed the door, looked at me and said, I I'm so angry. I said, uh-oh, how did she find out? Whoa, what are you angry about? Do you know what Brother did? Time out. This happened about 15 years ago. Brother, about 85 years old, teetering on the edge of senility. They had him at the back door as a greeter. He extended his hand. I extended mine. He grabbed me in a death grip, pulled me up, and gave me a kiss right there. Ron, what was he thinking? I know. Precious memories, how they linger, how they ever put my soul. Ron, men do not look at other women with thoughts of kissing them. I said, Kay. Ron, what do you think of when you see a pretty girl? Prayer meetings are a staple at Baptist churches. These are actual prayer requests that I've heard. Oh man, y'all need to pray for me. I lust after every girl that I see. None of y'all have anything to worry about. One Sunday afternoon after church, Sister Chlorine came up to me. She said, Brother Ron, I hate to bring this up. Lie number one. Go ahead, Sister Chlorine. Brother Ron, the Lord has laid it on the hearts of several of us ladies. Lie number 2, 3, maybe 4. Brother Ron, oh, this breaks my heart. Brother Ron, some of us ladies think that you don't act like a good Christian. Every time you see a lady, you say, hello, pretty girl. Mm-hmm. That's just not acting like a good Christian. You're flirting. Well, now, Sister Chlorine, I guess what you're saying is I need to find a role model that can teach me how to act like a good Christian. Yes, that's an excellent idea. Would you say that your husband, brother, acts like a good Christian? Well, hell, I mean, why, no. What brought me to Mudflap was to open a crown and bridge dental laboratory. Gold crowns, porcelain crowns. One day Dr. Smith's office called. Ron, it's going to be necessary for you to remake the gold crown. When the doctor was putting it in, he dropped it, she swallowed it. So it takes about 4 days. So we started the process. About 48 hours later, she called out, Ron, it isn't necessary to complete the gold crown. She found it. What do you mean, she found it? Think about it, Ron. Gold is not affected by acid. She found it. So I guess we can call that story, she struck gold in her toilet bowl. Then she dropped this other shoe on me. Ron, it needs to be polished up a little bit.